Now that we've got our data put together about our Arctic sea ice, we're going to create a graph in Google Sheets. So the first thing I'd encourage you to do is open up Google Sheets. So you've got a nice clean sheet in front of you. Let's go back to our data table, and we're going to highlight the years. So I'm just highlighting, and I'm going to right click, copy, and let's go ahead and paste that data in. Doesn't matter too much where we put it, okay. Now we're going to go back, and I'm going to highlight September. So we're going to focus on just September here for our graph. I'm going to copy that, go back to my spreadsheet, paste it in. For some reason it's putting it down, so I'm just going to remove this cell. Right click, delete cell, shift up. No problem, there's our data. Now, to do a graph, we're going to highlight this information. Actually, let me do something real quick. Right here, I got rid of our exponent, so I'm just going to insert a little caret there so it looks like an exponent. So highlight that information, click Insert, Chart. So Google Sheets will automatically choose a chart based on our data, and in this case, it did a pretty good job. Selected a proper chart. We've got our labels over here. They automatically came in from our table, so that's great. Has a title up here, and we can see some things. We can start discussing trends and things like that. So we created a graph. Now I'm going to have you copy that into the lab report. So to do that, just click on your graph. Notice it's highlighted now, and there's these three dots that come up. So click on that, and then click Copy Chart. Let's go back to our lab report and just click here under number 5, right click, paste, and you can link it, that's fine. If we want to resize this a little just to make sure it's all on our screen, we can see the whole thing, you can do that. And there is your graph. Now there's a couple more questions you'll go answer below, but one other thing while we're here I want to show you. You're going to share this Google Doc lab report with me when you're done. And so I want to show you how to do that. So up here, if you click Share, now right here it may say restricted. In fact, it probably does. And so let me just show you. It probably said restricted when you first open it up. So you need to change that. Otherwise, when you send me the link, I won't be able to open it. I won't be able to see it. So just click right here, change it to Bonneville School District, or you can change it to anyone if you want. And then go ahead and click Copy Link, and done. And then when you open up Buzz to submit the assignment, you'll just paste that link in for me. Then I'll be able to click on it, look at your lab, excuse me, and go through things. Okay. Of course, if you have any questions, please don't hesitate, reach out to your instructor.